everybody, welcome back to my channel. I got another unboxing to share with you, and I have got the summer Fabfitfun box. So as always, if you're new to Fabfitfun, I'll just give you a quick lowdown telling you all about it, but if you've seen it all before and you're just curious and seeing what I chose and what I received in this box, then I'll add a timestamp down below in the comments so you're free to flick forward. All links and everything related to the subscription and a $10 code off your first box I'll pop down in my description, so underneath this video, see show more, if you click that, that'll bring up the description and everything related to this box will be down there. So Fabfitfun is based in the US and they started shipping to the UK a year ago, and I've been subscribed to the very first box that they sent to the UK. It's one of my favourite subscriptions. It's a little bit different to the subscriptions I already get in that it's a seasonal box, but it's a lifestyle, fashion, jewellery, makeup, skincare, hair care, a bit of everything type of box, and you get to choose some of the items yourself. Now the cost of the box is $49.99 and it's free shipping within the US, and then to ship to the UK it's an additional $10 plus they charge around 7 to 8 tax as well, so that protects you from any custom charges and everything, which I think is brilliant. So you've got some peace of mind that you're not going to have a charge when you receive this box. So all together, the cost, the shipping, the taxes, it works out to be around £55 every 3 months. I do think the value is great because they say that the items that you receive in every box is at least $200, and the items you receive are all full size. So they offer two types of subscriptions. You can opt for a season by season subscription, which allows you to cancel any time, or you can opt for an annual subscription, which is what I've done. Now the annual subscribers of course select members, so that means they are able to choose a couple of more items more than a season by season subscriber. There's different categories that we can all choose from. All the other items Fabfitfun choose for you based on a personalised questionnaire that you fill in when you first sign up. If, say for instance, you're watching this video and you think I really want to subscribe for this summer box, then you go online and then you notice it's sold out. They will give you an editor's box, so you will still receive a box with a value of like $200+ of products in there. There could be products inside from different boxes that people have had in the past, so you'll still get a really great curated box to your preferences, but then from the next season onwards you'll be getting the proper subscription then. So before I show you what's in the box, I want to show you my add-ons. So all throughout the year Fabfitfun do edit sales. Right before a new box comes out you've got the option to shop for add-ons, and again it's a sale, but all the items that you add on to your subscription you pay all together and the items are shipped with your box. Now I chose this by Rodial. I can't remember how much I paid. I think it was something like $19 I paid for this, and it's worth around $70 or more possibly. So a big saving, isn't it? A huge big saving. That's my added extra, but I've also got this. Now this is like a kimono kaftan type thing, and this is by the brand Isaac Mizrahi, and this was one of the choices in the customization for this box. Say in a customization category of say 4 items, you get to choose one of those 4 items to go in your box, but say you really fancy 2 of them, so you choose one and then you can add the other one and pay, I think it's $15 I paid for this. I wear these all the time. I love them. I've got quite a few of them. I love the like paisley prints. I love the feathery print ones. I get a lot of mine from ASOS online, and I wear them in the summer over like little play suits, or I wear them with like black tight fitting dresses and it's just draped over my shoulders. I always do like a little stitch in there, quite low down about there, so then it always stays put, so I haven't got material flapping around the place. So yeah, so that's my little added extra as well. I paid $15 for that and it's lovely. So now on to my box. Here's the book I was telling you about, and in here details everything about the products, and it gives you the cost as well, so I'm able to tot it up at the end to see what the value is. Every box that they release they support a charity, and this season's box supports Special Olympics, so there's information about the Special Olympics in here as well. So I'll show you quickly. So in this magazine it explains all about the categories. All the products here that are in orange, every subscriber had a choice of those. Then the green ones, only the select, the annual subscribers chose. Then the purple items, Fabfitfun chose for you. So just to give you an idea of the items that that are in the box. That was my little extra that I paid $15 for, and it's $59, the original price. So there's that. Hold on. And there's that. And there's that. As you can see, there's lots and lots of different products, isn't there? Lots of different products to choose. So the first item I chose is a wireless charging pad, and this is by Yummy Kim. And I just thought this was really cute. Really, really cute. Looking at the information here, it just says rest your phone on the pad and watch the battery charge in a flash. This pad supports QI compatible devices only. What the heck is QI? Oh my gosh. It's worth £35. We're always fighting over charging cables in this family. There's 5 of us. So it's always like, give me a charger. Who's got it? It is. It's the most fought over item in the house. That is so, so lovely. Just a little pad. Gorgeous, gorgeous design. And you've got the cable there. That is really nice. I really like that. I just hope that it works with my phone. Next I got a passport holder, and this is by Michael Kors. Never thought I'd get one before. I just thought, it's fine. Not that I'm a jet setter, although in the last couple of years a lot of things have happened in my family that has made me have a different outlook on my life, shall we say. And yeah, I've been going away a lot more, making more of an effort to be with my friends, and yeah, just having like little weekend treats away, trying to find affordable places, cheap flights and things. So yeah, I'd say in the last like 4 or 5 years, definitely things have changed. It's handy, look. I can put all my cards in there and my passport in there as well. I just thought that's just such a handy thing to have, and it looks nice as well. It does look nice. So how much would this cost? $78. There's no way I would pay that. There's no way. It's a passport holder. You know, at the end of the day, it's a passport holder. Yeah, okay, it's got Michael Kors on it, but for me, it's a nice looking practical thing. Next is a satin pillowcase. So I thought it was a silk pillowcase. So I thought, oh, whoa, I'm definitely having that. Definitely having that. And it wasn't until after I chose that I noticed that it's actually a satin pillowcase. Silk is supposed to be better for you, but satin is a good second choice then. It's supposed to be sort of anti-aging. So it's supposed to reduce like lines on your face, like if you're with normal pillowcases and stuff, reduce puffiness, and hair as well, reduce like frizziness and stuff in your hair. So I thought I would give it a go. Oh, huh? Isn't there an end? Why isn't there an end? How weird. You've got a really gorgeous sort of soft cotton on the back. And this is what it looks like there, so it does need a bit of an iron, doesn't it? Our innovative, open-ended design fits over most standard queen and king pillows and pillowcases, perfect for home or travel. £29.50. So that's not too bad. That's not a bad price. If it works, we'll see. So I've got a silk. No, I haven't. I got a satin pillowcase. Next, I got a product by Kate Somerville, and this is Goat Milk Moisturising Cream. It's Condition and Restore, and this is 50 mils. I haven't tried anything from this brand before, so I thought I would give this a go, even though I have got a lot of moisturisers at the moment. That feels absolutely gorgeous. That feels so, so nice. Wow. This is worth $65, and it says made with lactose from goat's milk, jojoba and avocado. This gentle formula instantly absorbs into the skin for a healthy glow. So now that surprised me. So there's that. Then the last item I chose myself, this gorgeous vase, and this is by Isaac Mizrahi, the same brand as the kimono that I bought separately, and this is XO Love Sienna, and it's a ceramic decorative vase. Oh, that is lovely. Oh, that is so, so cute. Look at that. It's not massive. There, you can see there, it's about the size of my head-ish. That is so, so lovely. It's really nice. I love the difference in the texture. We've got a glaze, and then we've got just like a matte ceramic here. And it just looks like the glaze has just dripped onto it. Oh, that is beautiful. So this vase is worth £28. No, really, really chuffed with that. The last 3 items Fabfitfun chose for me themselves. So the first is a Spongella I think that's how you say it. It's a hand cream. It's coconut and verbena, and it's infused with shea butter, macadamia seed oil and argan oil. There's 57 grams here. Really, really dry skin here, just from washing hands all the time. That's really lovely. It's nice and natural and sort of fruity-ish. No, that's really, really nice. I have got a lot of hand lotions, a lot of them. When I noticed that I had this in the box, it was like, oh, it looks like a nice product, but it doesn't blow me away then. The smell is gorgeous and it feels really, really lovely. And yeah, no, it is a really nice product. It is nice. Next is a Winky Lux, and this is a Unibrow. I love the packaging. That's really pretty. I think I've had this in a advent calendar, a beauty advent calendar. Was it last year or the year before? And I'm sure I don't like it. It's universal, so it's supposed to be used on all types of eyebrow shades, but I just found it was too dark for me. I love the brush on the end, and that's what it looks like there. So it's grey, which is a universal shade, but I just found it too dark. But I'll give it another go. I'll give it another go because that doesn't look too bad there actually. I forgot to tell you the prices. This hand cream is worth $18. The brow pencil is worth $16. And this foot cream is worth $24. So this is in Sicilian blood oranges. Now that instantly like gets my excitement up. Oh, I'm obsessed with oranges. Oranges and lemons. I love them. Absolutely love the scent. So we've got 75 mils here. As with the hand creams, I have recently received 1 or 2 foot creams as well. I've chosen them in different subscription boxes. You're not going to see my feet, so I'm not going to show you my feet because no, I just want to, I don't know what I'm doing. I've got creams on all my hands here. I just want to smell. It's a strong orangey smell. Oh, I love it. I love it. But it's minty. It's like a mint orange. Tarocco means beautiful in Sicilian dialect. Apply onto feet and massage from your heels to your toes. Use twice daily. That is gorgeous. That is so, so lovely. And I've got it. Oh, look at that. Look at that in my ring there. Oh, never mind. Even though when I saw foot cream, because I've recently had 1 or 2 in subscription boxes I think this month, I was like, got another one. But I love that smell. That smell is gorgeous, so I can't wait to see what it does on my skin. Those are all my products, so I'm just going to add them all up. All of my items inside the summer box comes to $293.50. So it's just under $300. My gosh, the Michael Kors was $78 and the Kate Somerville moisturiser was $65. So some of the items did have quite a high price tag on them then. But whoa, I am really chuffed. Not too sure about the satin pillowcase, and yeah, the products that Fabfitfun chose for themselves, a little bit underwhelming. But we'll see what they are like. I will give them a go as always. But yeah, so I'd love to know your thoughts. What do you think of my items that I received in this box? Have you received your box yet? Or are you waiting for your box to arrive? How does it compare to mine? Or you're just watching this wondering what Fabfitfun subscription is like. All your thoughts and opinions I'd love to know, so please comment down below. But I hope you enjoyed watching. If you did, it would be lovely if you give me a big thumbs up, and if you haven't done so already, please subscribe to my channel for lots more videos to come. So take care and I'll speak soon. Bye.